Boy, don't stand near me, I don't want your vibe rubbing off of me. The same ones who put you on them be the ones that take you up off your feet. They play your music up in the club, I nod off and off all the sleep. All these rappers keep dropping trash, I know that it's about to be mid. I don't want no mid. Gotta go hard, boy, it is what it is. Mid, bitch, that pussy mid. Put that on the gang, I don't even wanna hear. Mid, I don't want no mid. Gotta go hard, boy, it is what it is. Mid, bitch, that pussy mid. Put that on the gang, I don't even wanna hear. Okay, that money talk, I'm talking to her. She ain't gotta Uber her house far away, I guess she gon' be walking to it. My DMs on Baddest Ramon, she say I'm cheating, it's hard to prove it. I made that shit look easy, I got them thinking they all can do it. You need help, I can walk you through it. Just hit my line, get the block jumping like a doctor with no vaccines. Y'all pussy boys never shot nothing. Hit the bathroom, flush your work when they kick the door and the cops are coming. Got so much dope, we might clog the toilet. It's a good thing that we got plumbing. Let me go and ask y'all something, do this real shit here, dear friend. She don't want you, she's much money, tell little nigga quit simping. They say John Morant don't need a gun, he a superstar, he trippin'. I say John Morant don't got a gun, he a superstar, that he slippin'. I want